Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Robinhood account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you get your 1099 tax document from Robinhood? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you need your 1099 tax document from Robinhood anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you probably have your accountant or CPA. Sometimes they require that you send them your 1099s. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Robinhood dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instruction there as well. But I've already logged into my Robinhood account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to get your 1099 for the current year or any past years, what you're going to do is here on the top menu, you're going to click on account. Once you click on account, you're going to see a drop down menu, and you want to click here on tax center. Okay, once you do that, be sure you look over here on the timeline if you're looking for your most recent 1099 tax document. As you can see, for this year, they sent it out on February 13th, and you can see that over here on the left side. So if it's before this date, then it's not going to show up here. Now, if you want to find your 1099 document for a previous year, all you do is just click on this drop down menu, choose the year, and you can see it updates automatic. So this was issued February 18th, 2023, and that was for tax year 2022. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to find your Robinhood 1099 tax document, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.